Assalamu alaikum everyone. Welcome back to my channel Unlock English Success. If you have watched my previous videos, you know that we are working on unit number 7, and that is the poem If by Rudyard Kipling. And in my previous video we have done the paraphrasing and explanation of the poem, and we have learned about the main themes and ideas and main introduction of the poem. So right now in this very video we are going to write down the summary of the poem. Okay, so let's start. But before starting the summary, let me just introduce you that I am preparing all these lectures for the students of grade 9, and these all chapters are taken from the new English 9 book, which is published by Punjab Textbook Board for the matric students, and all the students who are going to appear in board exams of 2026, they are reading this book. So as soon as we receive the board paper pattern, then we can better get the idea that how to manage all the other things. So obviously in previous paper we used to write down summary, and in option we have the paraphrasing, but right now we are not sure whether the board is going again the summary writing or the paraphrasing, or maybe they gonna give only one thing to do. So we will cover both the things. Paraphrasing is already shared in another video, so in this video we will be doing the summary of the poem. So kindly support my channel by subscribing it and sharing it with all other friends and family members. So let's start. Summary of the poem is really easy. I have not written it very you can say difficult one. Summary means the main crux or the main themes or the main ideas, and to generalize what is mentioned in the poem. So most of the time people used to write long summaries of consisting of 2 to 3 pages with lots of quotations, but I am against that idea. That is totally wrong. Summary means to summarize a thing. Summarize means to sum up, means to tell us about the main or basic themes and ideas mentioned in the piece of writing. So summary should not be too long. It should be very simple, and it should encapsulate all the things, all the ideas mentioned in the poem. So let's start. Rudyard Kipling's poem If is a powerful guide to develop strong character, self-discipline, and resilience. Written as advice from a father to his son, the poem outlines the qualities necessary for personal success and maturity. Means they are telling that this poem is written as a kind of a letter style, that a father is giving advice to his son that how to be a perfect man or a perfect role model. The poet encourages the reader to stay composed in difficult situations, and the poet urges all the people that how to be calm and relaxed in all the difficult situations. Remain confident despite others' doubts. And if the people do not have trust on you, they do not have faith on you, they do not have confidence on you, even then you should maintain your confidence and uphold honesty even when surrounded by falsehood. He emphasizes patience, urging the reader to wait without frustration and face hatred without becoming hateful. See how beautifully we have summarized that the poet emphasizes, or he lays stress on patience, urging the reader to wait without frustration and face hatred without becoming hateful. Kipling also warns against being controlled by dreams or overpowering thoughts, stating that both should be balanced with practicality. Means there are dreams, people used to see dreams, and some are their desires, they are called as dreams. So first and foremost thing is that we should have high hopes and high dreams, but these dreams should not be controlling us. There should be not overpowering thoughts, because sometimes the more we think, the more passive we become. So more important thing is that you should have a dream, and then you should be more practical in in achieving those dreams. Stating that both should be balanced with practicality, he encourages treating success and failure alike, calling them two imposters. So, imposter means a hidden person which can change its personality. So, change is always there. Good time is there, bad time is there, nothing is permanent, everything goes. Okay, so neither success will stay nor the failure will be there always. So we should not be proud if we are succeeded, and we should not be despair if we failed, because both are temporary and both will pass. So, as neither defines a person's true worth, the poet highlights the importance of perseverance, advising that even when everything is lost, one should have the courage to rebuild without complaint. Okay, perseverance means to be persistent. The poem strongly emphasizes determination. If you can force your heart and nerve and sinew to serve your turn long after they are gone. Additionally, it stresses humility and integrity, reminding the reader to interact with both common people and powerful figures without arrogance. Next, the poet also teaches us the lesson of being humble towards the people. Okay? Humility means to be humble. And he also tells us to be true. Integrity means with honesty we have to deal with people, reminding the reader to interact with both common people and powerful figures without arrogance. If you can talk with crowds and keep your virtue, or walk with kings nor lose the common touch. In the final lines, Kipling states that if one embodies these virtues, they will achieve not only success but also true greatness, making the world their own. The poem serves as a timeless lesson on strength, patience, and moral integrity, inspiring readers to face life's challenges with courage and wisdom. Okay? So, here our summary ends. I hope it's a very easy summary, and you have enough time to note it down and prepare it well for your exams. So finally, today's video is about to end. So obviously at the end I will request everyone to like it, and do comment something in the comment box. And let's suppose if you have any question or any request, do share me your concerns. I will reply as soon as possible. And please like and subscribe my channel. Keep following. Allah Hafiz.